Ever wondered how to make your objects follow a perfectly smooth curve in Blender? It's easier than you think. Today, I'll show you how to use the Follow Path constraint to bring your animations to life. Let's dive in. First, you need two things, your object and a curve. Press Shift-A and add a Bezier or a circle. Scale it and shape it however you like. Now, select your object, go to the Object Constraint properties, and add a Follow Path constraint. In the Target Picker, select your curve. You'll see your object snap to it. To make it move, click Animate Path, right here in the constraint settings. If your object is facing the wrong way, just toggle the fixed position or adjust the forward and up axis settings. For a more realistic look, don't forget to check Follow Curve, so your object rotates naturally as it moves along the bends. It's that simple, and there you have it. Perfect path animation in under a minute. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Blender tips. Now, go create something amazing.